Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a device with Android 13 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this operating system. So basically, first of all you have to do is to open your browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome. Now all you have to do is to simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the history. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of all previously visited websites. So of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one, but just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if in your case this list is so wide, then I highly recommend to simply clear the browser using automatic options. And in order to do that, you have to tap on clear browsing data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics, we've got browsing history, cookies, site data, and cache images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So mark everything. If you will mark the option, then it will be removed. So as you can see, I want to remove everything. I've marked all of those options. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. So let's tap on clear data after that. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that that we just successfully removed everything. So actually that's all. This is how to clear the browser in the Android 13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.